It's crucial to regularly inspect and service your fire alarm systems. This helps identify faults, address false alarm issues, inform you of any changes in the building that could affect the system's performance, and allow you to take preventative measures to maintain reliability. As you perform your weekly checks, here are some points to look out for. Ensure the cool points and alarms are working correctly. Make sure that the smoke detectors are clean and unobstructed. Check that the control panel functions properly and that the batteries are ready for power failures. A competent person with specialist knowledge should perform more in-depth inspections and servicing at least every 6 months to comply with British safety standards. And yearly professional inspections are often required as part of insurance policies. For any questions about fire alarm servicing, please give us a call.